What's up guys, I'm Joshua from TechNave and this is the latest Honor Magic V3.
Apa kabar kawan-kawan? Saya Joshua dari Teknik dan ini Honor Magic V3 yang terbaru.
Oh my god guys, can you hear that? This is literally Malaysian Malay and this is the first foldable phone that can translate into Malaysian Malay language. Not only to do face-to-face translation, you will also get to watch and translate your foreign drama side by side with AI Honor Notes 2. Circle to do more, new AI organized desktop layouts, and more. You can now play with the new super split screen feature with your controls on the bottom screen and gameplay on the top like the Nintendo DS style. And if you're those who always took many selfies and don't know which to choose, just use Photo Compare and you know which to choose in no time. Of course, this beauty is not just thin and light, but durability is also top-notch. Not just having IPX8, but it is built with aerospace superfiber which can withstand up to 5,300 MPa. Even if you forgot to take it out from your trousers and accidentally spin it in your washer, you know, accidents do happen. But not to worry, because it will be totally unharmed. Scratch-proof with Honor Anti-Scratch Nano Crystal Shield and upgraded with a bigger 5150 mAh battery that has 66 watt wired charging and 50 watt wireless charging. Of course, not to miss out the new 50 megapixel periscopic lens that supports up to 100 times zoom. Priced at 6,699 ringgit, buy or not? Let me know in the comments below. I'm Josie. I'll see you guys in the next one. Ciao!